Uh, uh, Good day, everyone. My name is Jason, and right now I'm about to show you kung paano kumita sa internet without paying anything. Okay? Wala kang ilalabas na pera. Gagawin nyo lang siya everyday. Let's open a Google Chrome and then type kumita tayo sa internet. That's pinoyearning.blogspot.com. Alright. So, i-click nyo lang itong banner na to. Any of these three. Okay. And then, mapupunta na tayo sa website ng Neobox. We have to choose register. Click register. Alright. Kailangan natin ng username. JJJ. So, password. Kailangan natin ng password. And then, yung email address nyo na ginagamit. For example, jjj@yahoo.com. So, itong alert PayPal email is dito mapupunta yung ibabayad sa'yo ng website. So, balik tayo mamaya dito ha. Punta muna tayo ngayon sa paypal.com para mag-setup ng online bank natin. So, dito mapupunta lahat ng natin, mga ibabayad sa atin ng site. So, click sign up. Ito sa taas. Or ito. Sign up. And then, click personal. And syempre, Philippines yung country. Okay, so yung email address na ilalagay mo is yung email address mo. jj@yahoo. For example lang. Tapos password. And then yung full name mo. JJJ. He. Then date of birth. So paglagyan na 01/24/1986. Nationality Philippines, and then input your address. 3 Churba Street, Malinta, Makati. State, province, course, NCR, or anong province mo, postal code sorry. Then phone number, cell phone, like 915-0988. Ganyan. Tapos I agree, and then create account. So pagka-create ng account mo, punta ka dun sa email mo, which is jjj@yahoo.com, para i-confirm yung account mo. So, you're ready to go with a PayPal account. Meron ka ng PayPal pagka-enter mo nito. Then, lagay mo na siya dito. jjjj@yahoo.com. Birth year, kunyari 1985, 86, feeling lang. Then, verification code. Okay. And click I declare and then continue. So, that's it. Ganun kadali siya. So, right about now, maglalagin muna ako sa aking account para pakita sa inyo kung paano kumita dito sa Neobox. Alright? Sorry. Okay. So, yung image dito. May lalabas na image dito sa area na to. Then yun ang verification code. So wait lang. Okay, that's it. Alright. Secondary password, wala ka naman, okay lang. YNWKD. YNWKD. So makakalogin ka na. So here it is. Pag login mo lang sa Neobox, punta ka lang sa view advertisements. Kiklik mo lang itong mga advertisements na to everyday. Everyday magsaserve siya ng 4 to 6 ads. I-click mo lang siya. Click it. So isang beses lang, one at a time lang ang pag-click ng ads, hindi pwede sabay. So ayan, nakikita niyo yung yung counter timer. So pag nagpuno na siya, tapos na siya. So advertisement validated. It's the 001 cents or dollars were credited in your account. So meron na. Pupunta siya dito sa iyong account dito. So as you see, meron ako dito a lot of couple of dollars, konti. Then ayan. So everyday kailangan mo lang siyang mag-click. And actually pwede kang mag-hire ng referrals. So yung referrals is madali lang kung may gusto kong i-invite. So pag nag-click yung mga referrals, kapag meron kang referral, pag nag-click sila, credited din yung account mo. So may kikita ka rin because of them. So kung gusto mong kumuha ng referrals, just click banners and then yung link mo dito, then tutok mo yung cursor and then right click and then click copy. So anywhere pwede mo na siyang ipipaste mo lang. So yun yung isa-send mo sa friend mo gusto mong invite. So that's all about the basics in earning in this Neobox. By the way, from PayPal account, pag transfer na yung money mo sa PayPal account, ito your payment. So mag-ask siya kung sa PayPal, so didiretso sa PayPal yung account mo, and then from PayPal pwede mong i-transfer sa Union Bank. So sa Union Bank pwede kang mag-open ng Ion card doon, and ayan, Union Bank. So diyan mo ita-transfer yung pera mo from PayPal. Kaya pwede mo na siyang withdrawin sa bangko anytime. Yan, sa pinsan ko to, 24,000. It's 24,000 pesos. Okay? Sa isang month lang naka 24,000 na siya. And yan, pera niya yan, totoo yan. Alright? So dapat secure lang lahat. All of it. I'm gonna log out my account. And hope na may naintindihan kayo. If you have any questions about this video, you can just send me a message at jaysontiwa@gmail.com. That's jasondiwa@gmail.com. Okay, or message me on Facebook, my Facebook account. That's Jason space Diwa. And I'm about to show you something. So pag member ka, meron kang effortless income, earn from home, kita ka sa bahay mo, guaranteed ads daily. May sinaserve siyang ads para kumita ka per click. Meron kang earnings doon, detailed statistics, upgrade opportunities, a dedicated community. So click natin to more info for the final presentation. So how much can I earn nakalagay dito. Kano ba kikitain natin dito. So meron siyang standard, which is wala kang babayaran. Talagang totally free member. With like 25 referrals, meron kang 25 referrals per month. Ibig sabihin yung mga in-invite mo to. And then yung referrals na yun, nagki-click siya ng, sabihin na natin, 4 clicks per day. So ang kikitain mo is $16.20 per month. Ganun siya. Wow. So check natin $16.20 per month. Let's check it. Magkano ang kikitain mo per, so wala kang babayaran and kikita ka ng 704.214 pesos per month nang wala kang binabayaran, and then yung referral mo is 25. Ngayon, if you wanna get these choices, golden and ultimate, kailangan mo mag-upgrade ng membership mo, which is, ayan, pinaka minimum niya is $122.70 per month. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, goodbye everyone. Again, this is Jay. Thank you for watching and listening.